If you want to use split view or split screen on OPPO Find X9 Pro, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. For example, if you use the gestures for navigation, you can start sliding from the bottom and then move it towards the upper left corner in order to open the selected app in the split screen view. And then over here, we need to simply choose another app that you want to open in the split screen view. So let's say I'm going to use the Chrome browser as an example. Over here we have some instructions as well. We can reposition these apps and so on and so forth, but this gesture is only available if you actually use gestures for navigation. Another way to open the split screen view is by using the smart sidebar. If you actually use it, then you can drag the app from the smart sidebar and just grab it and drop it either on the top side of the screen or at the bottom side of the screen, just like this. And the third option is to go to Recent or the background apps, and over here you can tap on the app name, for example, over here above the preview, and we have the split screen option. You can of course go back to background apps in order to choose another app as well, or you can just choose any app from the home screen or the app drawer. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.